Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new. If you are, please hit the subscribe button below. I have some of my St. Patrick's Day decor up, and it's just one little corner of my kitchen by the island. And so I thought I would just set up here and be festive this week. So I've got my Lucky Charms shirt on and my 4-leaf clover earrings. So let's go ahead and jump into this haul. It's a small one, but it's a good one. So excited, let's get into it. I found Cocoa Pebbles rice, what do you call these? Crispy rice snacks. And I did already try one bag and I loved it. They were really good, and I usually don't like the rice snacks, but they're only 140 calories for the whole bag. So this is a nice little snack to keep your calories low, and just pick these up if you see them because they're really good. It's, if you like Cocoa Pebbles, that is, they're good. But if you don't like Cocoa Pebbles, maybe not. So there's those. And then lately I've been finding these Tejava peach teas there, and $1.25, like I told you last time, is a really good deal. So I picked up 2 more of those. And also they have this Jones cane sugar soda, and it's cream soda, and Jones is a really popular brand of soda, and I don't know how much it is anywhere else, but I decided I was gonna pick one up and try it because I don't remember trying it before, but I wanted to get one, so I got that. And then let's go into the household items. I picked up, finally found the Sure Fresh, and this one is a 12 cup, 96 ounce. So I'm going to use it for pasta because I think these are really good. They keep your stuff fresh, and the spaghetti or fettuccine, whatever, linguine will fit right inside of here, you guys. It's very deep, so I think that I'll have no problem with that. These are awesome. So keep your eye out for those. And okay, on to some random items. These are a new find, and I saw someone else haul them. They are Toy Collectors Showcase storage containers. I picked up 4 of these, y'all, because I think they'll fit like small collector's items really well, but I also think they are great for craft storage. So if you have beads or whatever, anything, small things, you can put them right into here, or make a great gift for a child who collects toys as well. You can do Legos, you can do cars. I don't actually think the cars would fit in there. No. Oh, wait a sec. Wait, let me see something really quick. Let me just get this off so we can check it out, because I think, yep, just as I thought. These come out and you can move them around. So you can fit things in here that are a little bit bigger if you just move this little divider to another section. So again, picked up 4 of these, and they were last 4 on the shelf. So that tells you something. They're going fast. So I got those. And then I picked up one of these strainers. That's nothing new at Dollar Tree, but I'm always finding that I need these because I occasionally get soup that there's corn in, and I don't like corn in with my other, I like corn, but I don't like it in mixed with my other foods. So this will work for that. And this is an ice cream scooper, and I already have one, but I thought it feels really like high quality. So I went ahead and picked it up anyways because I wanted to try it and review it for y'all, and I'll let you know how well it does with ice cream. So yesterday I did my first YouTube short, and I have not done those before. I do lots of reels on my Instagram, but it kind of trial and error because it wasn't that great. So I want to show you the garland that I made. I'm going to try, and I used it, the seed packets, so I know this is definitely going to be for spring, and I kind of did a little pattern of the ones that I liked and the colors. And you can do whatever you want. You could do this with the vegetable packets, you could do this with your herbs, it would just be really cute. And I just kind of wound it through some garland, some leaf, I don't know what this is. I think it's eucalyptus garland that I got at Dollar Tree. And it came out really cute, you guys. And so since we're kind of doing that right now, I wanted to show you this. I picked up this potting soil. But anyhow, I just grabbed it because I also picked up, and I mean, for $1.25, I don't think it's that bad. I don't buy this stuff very often, so I'm not exactly sure. But I grabbed one of these seed starting greenhouse by American Seed, and I thought I would try to grow some chives indoors. So that's the plan. I will keep you updated on this project and see how it goes. So I'm going to probably be planting those today, and super excited about seeing like if it actually works, you guys. Tell me if you've used any of the seed packets and potting soil with that greenhouse starter kit, because I'm interested. Now, a few more items that aren't spring, they're Easter, but I wanted to show you. I picked up some more of these little cups, and they also have these with a little baby chick on them with a blue background. I picked up some more Peeps in the cotton candy flavor, because why not? Cotton candy, it's good. And I've never ever liked Peeps because I'm not a big marshmallow fan, but I don't know, lately I have this like weird Peeps addiction. And these, they don't go with my outfit today, but I picked these up. Oops, I probably messed my hair up. I picked these up to wear into class for Easter week. I had picked up some other ones from 99-cent store, and I didn't end up liking them very much. This is also for the studio, Welcome Spring. It's a really pretty banner. So I don't know if you can see it here. Trying to give you a little view of what it looks like when it's all up, but super pretty. And it has this bright green ribbon. I found these little lollipop sponges. I'm not going to be using them as sponges. They're so cute as photo props, and I love the colors. You've got the blue and the pink swirl, and then you've got the purple and the pink swirl, and then you've got this different colored, different hues of pink swirl. And these will be so great for the week that we do our sweet dance theme. So we may put up a backdrop, photo backdrop, because we like to do that at the studio, but otherwise we will just put them up somewhere. And yeah, I would have bought a bunch of them and use them as props, but I already know where these will end up, in the kids' mouths. And we don't need that right now. The other thing I found is this little mouse pad notepad, and I thought this would be great. They had 3 other ones, or 2 other ones, I'm not sure, but this was my favorite. And I'm always needing to write things down, and you know, when I'm sitting at my laptop with that mouse, it's perfect because I can just reach to the right and write my notes. So you've got, this one says today, this week, this month. I don't know what this one says. First time I've opened anything easily. Okay, so you have 2 sections for this week, which I like. So I really like that, and I'm gonna put that right next to my laptop. And then I found these labels, which I've not seen before, and I really liked. Those are really pretty, and I think they would look super cool on the side of any of my pantry items. And then these I hardly ever see, but when I do see them, I grab them immediately. They are by Jot, and they're paper. It's a paper pad, but it's got this, you know, printed scrapbooking paper inside, 36 pieces. And I think it just repeats, but let me just try to see if I can leaf through it really quick so you can just see some of them. Yeah, there's like some unicorns, and there's just a lot of pretty ones in here, and I feel like I'm not seeing little cats. So look for this. It's great for scrapbooking or DIYs, journaling, all types of things, pocket letters, whatever you want to do with it. And the last two items that I have for you guys are these. Well, one is a DIY item. I'm going to be making a wagon wheel for my nephew's birthday party. It's called his first rodeo. And so I have some ideas about how I'm going to do that, because it is just the wire wreath form. I want to add some pieces of wood. I may use some of those craft sticks, the bigger ones from Walmart's, and stain them. So we'll see. And then maybe put something here in the middle. I don't know what yet, but I want it to say something with his name on it. So I want to personalize it for his party. So I got that. And the last thing is this little easel. And I specifically picked this up for painting because I picked up a bunch of the, like, I don't know what size they are. I want to say 16 by something. I don't know what that size is, but they're pretty big canvases, and I just feel like doing some painting lately, and I think it'll be really good and therapeutic for me because there's been a lot going on. But you guys, you know, every day you just have to get out of bed, and, you know, put your makeup on, try to like feel good about yourself, meditate, pray, whatever you need to do. Get out of the house for a walk, get some exercise. I know that's super hard sometimes. If you could just get yourself to go do it, it really makes a difference. And so I'm so happy you guys joined me today. Please comment below. Let me know if you saw anything in this haul that you would like to pick up. And always stay positive, always stay hopeful. Above all, stay kind, you guys. We all need the kindness. Bye.